Good morning, I'm Dr. Danica-Lea Larcombe from Edith Cowan University, and I will be talking to you about high-rise apartments and nature relatedness. In the post-war period, high-rise apartments mainly housed dwellers with poor socioeconomic status, resulting in fears of crime and insecurity and poor mental health. Today, high-rises are taller, further away from the earth, and have little, if any, environmental biodiversity surrounding them, and they have residents of mixed socioeconomic status. So can we progress from grey to green apartment blocks? I will be sharing my findings of floor level and the relationship with nature relatedness. This is one but small part of my thesis, which also looks at relationships between biodiversity, lifestyle and health, and the skin microbiota of high-rise apartment dwellers. Is there a difference between floor level of high-rise apartment residents and nature relatedness? 59 respondents volunteered lifestyle survey information as part of the study, and data analysis of nature relatedness and floor level was calculated using Qualtrics and SPSS. Data analysis included reducing the number of variables so that they formed common themes for which I could then correlate with socio-demographic variables. The factors are not true opposites. They just factored that way. Nature discomfort factor showed significant relationships with floor level. In particular, respondents living on floor 4 demonstrated less discomfort for nature experience than all higher floors. When I clustered this with employment status, I found a significant difference between those working in the blue and not working in the red. You can see a progressive decrease in nature's discomfort for those not working, starting with the highest floor level down to floor 4, and a progressive increase for those working up to floors 11 to 22. This highest floor level is confounded by income, which was shown to allow more visitation to green spaces. I then reduced naturistic behaviour variable questions such as visits to green spaces, gardening, pets and diet, and I came up with these 8 themes for which I analysed against floor level. First, I found that respondents living on floor 4 in the blue walked in the city and not in nature more than any higher floor levels. When I clustered this with income, however, I found that floors 4 and 5 and floors 11 to 22 in the low to mid income range walked in the city more than any floor levels of respondents on a high income. In summary, living on a higher floor level appears to be a deterrent to living a naturistic lifestyle, an important factor in recognising that high-rise apartments decrease exposure to nature. However, having a high income provides some compensation by allowing more access to green spaces. So high-rise apartment buildings are increasing as available building space in inner city areas diminishes, and this looks to be a way of the future as the human population increases. Urban man-made ecosystems such as parks, community gardens, rooftop gardens, living walls, green roofs and internal green spaces are critical to human health, both from a mental and a physical perspective. Landscape architecture in conjunction with government developmental policies is paramount to enabling ecological justice and accessibility to nature, as well as providing the right microbial balance for high-rise apartment buildings. The same principles may also apply to high-rise office buildings, where workers, who appear to be more disconnected from nature, spend the majority of their waking hours. Thank you.